Okay, guys, I am talking kind of low right now because my little ones are asleep in their bed. But Mama is determined to get clothes prepared for the beach, and my neighbor is having a baby, so I've got to get some newborn clothes ready. All these clothes down here are clean. The box just broke. And these are clothes that I need to sift through and get the newborn clothes ready and put away clothes for my 6-month-old. And I have clothes over here that I've already started in that bag. And again, I started down here as well. If they don't fit, I just throw them down there in the box, but the box broke. And I've got to go through here because I have a lot of newborn onesies that I need to get together for her. And yeah, so this is my Saturday. So let's go. And yeah, it's laundry day too. So it's a whole thing today. I've also got to go through here, and a lot of these little baby wraps or whatever are for my neighbor, and then I just have like new clothes for my baby boy that he can't wear yet. So I've got to go through all this and all this and yeah, get my life together because it's time. She's almost due, and I've just got to get her some clothes. So let's get her clothes prepared. But first, laundry. I've got clothes I've got to fold. I've got clothes I have to wash. I've got clothes I got to transfer. I got clothes. I got mother freaking clothes to do. So let's get the clothes done. Doing this for a while now. Not my laundry, but getting the clothes together. It's just I have to prepare my mind for it, and my mind's in the mood today. Like I'm supposed to go out later. Like I said, it depends on how much I get done today. So. Y'all see this baby is supposed to be asleep. I literally just put his little ass to sleep. Literally. And he playing with the camera. I cannot with this baby. Okay, this show must go on. This show must go on. Does anybody else, content creator friends, does your kids do this? Like, I don't want him in my videos all the time. I don't mind some of the time, but oh my god. won't let me be great. He won't let me be great. All these were my neighbors in the first place, and so when I had CJ, my firstborn, I gave her a bunch of newborn clothes, and we've just been like swapping off. And now she's having another boy, and I had another boy, so it's good to instead of like just, you know, giving away the clothes to a stranger or whatever, share with your neighbor. It saves money. So having a family of 4 living in one room, you just get creative with storing clothes. 3 to 6 months. I bought you some 12 months. Content creator mamas, how y'all doing out there? How are y'all doing when you have a plan and your plan just goes to shit? Like, I clearly put down the baby so I can have this us time, and you wanted to make it a we time. So yeah, I guess I will fold them back the way she gave me. My neighbor taught me how to fold clothes all cute and stuff and make them stay, and it really helped me as I prepared to put 4 people in one closet. That has been a game changer. God knew I needed like a way to make more room, and she did that. You're so tired, but you don't want to go to sleep. Probably gonna have to take another break because nobody wants to hear a whiny baby in their video. 2 drawers down. Let's move on. So this pile here is a combination of some of Eris's clothes and clothes that will go to my neighbor. Clothes and shoes. I should have stopped the madness a long time ago and just got a bigger box. But I didn't. So now I've got to sift and sort. I had it sorted to where her stuff was, I knew what was going to her, and then it just got crazy. Oh well. So typically I would set a timer for 15 minutes, but I know I have time today. So this was on the schedule. This was getting done no matter what. I planned to do it by myself, but I've got extra help today. So I'm not gonna lie and say that it doesn't get frustrating, because it does. Sometimes when you just really have a plan to execute something in a timely manner, like you set aside that time, and those kids say, fuck your plan. I don't care. But just gotta roll with the punches, you know? Like, I'm determined to get it done today. You literally just want to play. Ooh. And laugh to keep from crying. So we gonna call it a day today, because these churn of mine are just churning. They are just being children, and my youngest is deliriously tired, and I ain't got time. Whew, I can't record nothing else. So we have our bag filled up, and we have our box filled up. I found some beach clothes I knew I had somewhere. So found some beach clothes and gonna put those up for my youngest. Some shoes. That was a polo box. So I'm gonna save this for tomorrow, and I'm gonna go through all these clothes and get some more clothes together for my neighbor's newborn, and then a lot of these clothes will just be for Eris. So, whew, what a day. What a day. We got our floor back, and then I just gotta find a spot to put all these shoes for Eris. Like, we are a shoe family, like the daddy, oh my god, my husband. So Eris has a whole bunch of new shoes. I just gotta go through. I've got to go through all these sides here, and I know there's some shoes in here that are too small, so I'll make space. Just add that to my to-do list. So there's that. We're done for the day. We'll come back and finish this video tomorrow.